Hello guys, welcome back. So as we already completed our first 5 challenges, let's take up our 6th challenge now, which is override volume based discount. So once if you launch your playground, let's go to our app launcher followed by Salesforce CPQ so that you will get this page. And now I'm just going to click on discount schedules and click on new. So meanwhile, let's copy your discount schedule name, which is given right over here. So just copy this and paste it over here. So give slab as type and followed by amount for discount unit. So if you scroll down, you will find this override behavior, give all. So once if it is done, click on save. And guys, now I'm just going to click on this edit tires. Let's copy our tire name as well, which is given right over here. So copy this and paste it over here. So for lower bound, we are just going to give it as 6, and for upper bound we are going to give nothing because we don't have any requirements, and for discount we are going to provide 15. So once if it is done, click on save. And guys, now in global search I'm just going to search for interior so that you will get interior keypad in product. So click on it and now click on edit. So here in discount schedule we are going to type 5 so that you will get this over 5 keypads. So once if it is done, click on save. So that's all about this challenge. Let's go back and click on check challenge. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed this challenge as well. So remaining challenges will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.